Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how we can activate a video stabilizer on Samsung Galaxy A25's camera. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our camera application on our Samsung Galaxy A25. So this is my camera and I'm going to open it. And here we have to go to the camera setting. We can go to the top left corner right here. Click on the settings icon and you have to scroll down until you find the video stabilization. This one. Click on this option to activate the video stabilizer. And right after you activate this feature, your video will be more stable. And I guess that's how we can activate a video stabilizer on Samsung Galaxy A25's camera. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.